Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Oppo Reno 14 5G smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. Just like Samsung's flagship level smartphone, you can also use circle to search feature in this smartphone as well. Simply tap and hold in the middle bottom like this, then it will enable the circle to search. Now you can circle the object or the thing that you want to search, and then it will directly search it to Google for you. So you can use this feature while scrolling your social media application, while scrolling your browser, or you can simply open the camera application and then enable this. Now you can search whatever is in front of your camera. So you can use this circle to search feature in the smartphone as well. You can change the control center of the smartphone. To do that, open your control center and then click on these three dots, select customize quick settings, and then select split. As you can see, it will change your control center. Now if you want to open your control center, then swipe from the right side of the front camera, and if you want to open your notification bar, then swipe down from the left side of the front camera. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of a simple gesture. Open the first application and then swipe up by using three fingers like this. Now select the second application. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time. It feels really uncomfortable to reach at the corner and open any of these applications from the home screen, but there's a gesture for that. Tap and hold on the home screen and then select more. There you will see the option of icon pull down gesture. Click on this and then enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can swipe up from either side of the screen like this. Then it will bring all your application around your thumb. Select the application you want to open and then it will open it for you. You can enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen up feature. To do that, tap and hold on the home screen and then select more. Firstly, enable double tap to lock, scroll down, and also enable double tap to turn screen on or off. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can double tap on the blank area like this, then it will lock your smartphone, and if you will double tap on the locked screen, then it will wake your screen up. You can use this smartphone as walkie-talkie as well with the help of a feature. Open your settings and then select mobile network. There you will see the option of beacon link. Click on this and then enable this. So with the help of this, you can call people nearby even if you don't have internet connection or mobile signals. So it will connect your smartphone to another smartphone around you with the help of Bluetooth, and you can use this as walkie-talkie. You can monitor your real-time internet speed in the smartphone, and you don't have to download any third-party app. Open your settings, scroll down and then select notification and quick settings, select status bar and then enable real-time network speed. Then it will start showing your internet speed in your status bar. If you long press the power button, then it will launch Google Gemini instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set it to power menu, then open your settings, scroll down and then select accessibility and convenience. Again scroll down, there you will see the option of power button. Click on this. Again click on this and then select power menu. Now if you will long press the power button, then it will launch the power menu. But if you want to keep this as your digital assistant, now if you want to launch power menu, then you can press volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch power menu. If you like to multitask in your smartphone, then you can use this smart sidebar feature. You will see a transparent bar on the right side of your screen here. Swipe to the left to open this. Here you can temporarily save any file in file dock. You can screenshot. With the help of this, you can screen record. You can also translate any page while scrolling your social media application or browser. You can access these applications as well. If you want to edit this, then click on edit. Now you can remove unnecessary application from here and remove your favorite or most usable application and then click on done. Now if you will open any application from here, it will open it in floating window. As you can see, you can resize it from the corners like this, drag and drop it anywhere as well. And you can keep on using your smartphone normally and it will remain as floating window just like your desktop and your laptop. So you can use this smart sidebar feature if you like to multitask in your smartphone. Now if you want to open any application in floating window, then open it and then put it in recent tab, select the apps icon and then select floating window. It will open that application in floating window. You can change the name of any application. Tap and hold on the apps icon and then select edit. From here you can change the name of any application. As you can see, I have changed the name of Amazon to shop. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use the next two features to protect your eyes. Open your settings and then select display and brightness. The first one is dark mode. If you will enable this, then it will turn all the white color that you have on your screen into black. This will decrease the pressure on your eyes. And the second one is eye comfort. Click on this and then enable eye comfort. It will warm the color of your screen, as you can see. This will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. When you are on home screen, you don't have to reach at the top to open your notification center. There's a gesture for that. Tap and hold on the home screen and then select more. And there you will see the option of swipe down on the home screen. Click on this and then select notification and quick settings. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can swipe down from the blank area and then it will open your notification center. If you will swipe from the left side of the screen and if you will swipe down from the right side of your screen, then it will open your quick settings. This phone comes with a lot of cool looking offline themes. To set them, open your settings, select wallpaper and styles. As you can see here, you have a lot of themes. You can further customize them. Tap on any of these themes. From here you can change the text, you can change the color of the text, you can also change the style, and after this click on apply and then it will change the theme of your smartphone. As you can see, this phone comes with always on display feature. By default that feature is disabled. To enable this, open your settings, select wallpaper and style and then select always on display. Firstly, enable always on display. Here you can select the mode, the classic or the seamless one. And now from here you can select these styles. Select any of these, you can further customize them, you can change the color. And after that, click on apply. And now whenever your phone will be locked, it will show that specific always on display feature on your locked screen. This phone comes with a lot of screen of gestures. To enable them, open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, select gesture and motions, and then select screen of gestures. There is a feature draw an O to open camera. If you enable this, and now whenever your phone is locked, you can simply draw an O and it will directly open your camera application. You can also turn on or off your flashlight by drawing a V. Enable this feature and then whenever your phone is locked, you can simply draw a V, then it will turn on the flashlight, and if you will draw it again, then it will turn it off. You can also control your media player. For example, if you're using Spotify, then you can draw these symbols to play the previous song and play the next song. You can also play and pause by drawing this symbol. Enable this and now you can use this music control from your locked screen as well. You can also open your favorite application by drawing any of these letters and symbol. For example, I'm enabling draw a M. Click on this and then select open an app. It will show all the application that you have in your smartphone. Now select the app you want to open. And now whenever your phone is locked, you can simply draw a M, then it will directly open Spotify application, as you can see. So you can use any of these symbols and letters to open your favorite or most usable applications. If you want to increase the charging speed of your phone, then you can enable the next feature. Open your settings, select battery, select charging settings, and then enable this smart rapid charging. With the help of this, you can increase the charging speed, but keep in mind this will decrease the life of your phone's battery and make your phone a little bit warmer as well. Now if you want to increase the lifespan of your phone's battery, then in the same battery settings, you can select battery health and then enable this smart charging. This feature will charge your phone up to 80% with normal speed, then take a little bit extra time to charge your phone fully. So you can use this feature to increase the life of your phone's battery. If you want to change the position of these three buttons or order of these three buttons, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then select system and update. Select system navigation. From here you can change the order of these three buttons. Now if you want to set gesture navigation, then simply select gestures. And now you can go back like this, open your recent application like this and jump to your home screen like this. You can change the sliding effect on the home screen. To do that, tap and hold on the home screen and then select transitions. Here you have really cool looking styles. Select from any of these and then click on apply. As you can see, it will change the sliding effect on your home screen. This phone comes with a lot of AI features in camera application, you can use these features to edit your photos. Click on edit and then select AI editor. Now you can erase any unnecessary object with the help of AI. You can also open the eyes of someone. If you have any photograph in which someone's eyes are closed, then you can use this AI perfect shot to do that. You can also remove reflections and unblur an image with the help of AI, but you have to connect your smartphone with the internet to use these features. There's a feature to increase the clarity on your phone's call. So to enable this, open your settings, scroll down and then select sound and vibration. Again scroll down, there you will see the option of clear voice. Simply enable this, then it will cut out all the background noise and give you really clear voice on your phone calls. You can clone any application or make dual of any application in the smartphone. To do that, open your settings and then select apps. There you will see the option of app cloner. Click on this and then select agree and continue. Firstly, it will show the messenger application that you have in your smartphone. And if you click on other apps, then it will show almost every application that are clonable in your smartphone. Select the app you want to clone and then enable create app clone. It will take few seconds. After that, it will make the clone. As you can see, I have 2 Amazons now and I can log in with 2 different accounts in the same application. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and a hidden feature of Oppo Reno 14 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.